Alright people, was not expecting mail today. Tomorrow at latest, earliest I thought, but here we go. I have an idea what this is, but only a vague idea. I could be wrong. I'm not, but I could be, but I'm not. You say you're almost singing Frozen then? Oh! There you go. Thought so. The Daredevil Punisher. Soul Kronsky Brown Mask. 7th Circle. Daredevil Punisher. So it's set during the Back in Black Charles Soule run, obviously, because it's written by Soule. But it's with when Psychic were around. So I'm not sure exactly when that was. I know he gets taken off the playing field. So at some point, I'm not sure exactly when. It looks like it's after volume 2 of Soule's run. Ooh. Garage was involved in the first 2 of those Punishers. Ooh. I like Garage, his art's brilliant. But I don't really do Punisher. I know I should, but anyway, Daredevil Punisher. I got for Daredevil, so yeah. 7th Circle. Yeah. A simple change of venues for one of Matt Murdock's cases becomes more complicated when the Punisher attempts to send the defendant away permanently. If Daredevil and his protege, Blind Spot, his sidekick, want this Russian monster to have his day in court, he'll take everything they have. All Frank Castle needs to get the job done is one bullet. Ain't that the truth? Daredevil Punisher, 7th Circle. Excellent. I'm out of here.